Welcome. On this video, you will learn how does Build International Listings tool works. When enrolling to remote fulfillment with FBA, you will notice your listings get automatically connected to the Build International Listings tool. This tool enables automatic listing creation and quickly makes your US FBA offers available in Canada and/or Mexico. It saves you the work of manually creating offers and evaluating pricing before your items can be available for sale. Automatic listing creation also adjusts for differences in fulfillment fees, referral fees, exchange rates, and costs that you may incur when converting proceeds back to USD. If you use Amazon Currency Converter for sellers, go to the Inventory menu and then click on Sell Globally to get to the Build International Listings tool. On the menu on the top, click on the Build International Listings. First, you'll get to see the Manager Source Store section displaying the number of total offers. Moving down, you'll be able to manage your target stores by selecting the countries you want your offers to be listed. Select the countries you are interested on and click Save and Continue. On the following step, Offer Types to Connect, you'll be able to set your rules. You can choose to apply the same rules to the regions you selected by checking this box. Now, to start setting your rules, you can either choose these by fulfillment method, clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting FBA. On the following field, Product Conditions, make sure to select the option New. Many of the countries exclude used products from being sent through remote fulfillment by FBA. You can also choose to select specific offers. When activating this option, you will need to input the SKUs of the offers you want to add. When you are done, click Save and Continue. Moving on, it's time to set the pricing rules. You can set different rules for each of the countries available or apply same rules by region by clicking on this box. You can set different pricing rules, list price and sales price, or only list price. When selecting list price and sales price, and under the drop-down menu same as Source Store, keep in mind that this rule will closely match the proceeds from the US pricing rules to apply them to the destination countries. The tool will take into consideration the differences in fees and currency conversion to try to match your profit as closely as possible. You can also adjust slightly as well if you want to set up percentage above the source store, percentage below above the source store, or a fixed amount above your source store. Adjust all the fields according to your business objectives, and when you are ready, click Save and Continue. Review the settings you had adjust for your offers. In case you need to change them, click on Edit. Whenever you are ready reviewing your settings, click Save and Continue. Keep in mind that this process could take up to 4 hours to be reflected depending on the amount of ASINs that you have. Read the information, and if you agree, click Agree and Create Offers. And come back later to check your listings. What happens if you break BIL? You will no longer receive pricing updates when updating prices in the US along with exchange rate. You can find ASINs that have been manually disconnected in Product Exclusions. How can I reconnect to BIL? In Product Exclusions section, select the ASINs you want to reconnect and click on the box Reconnect Offers on the top of the page. Additionally, please note that our pricing rule does not account for the exchange rate fluctuations between when an order is placed and when you transfer the proceeds from your CA/MX account to US. However, you can make adjustments to your pricing rule in order to account for this risk. Finally, if you decide to price your products manually, please make sure you are accounting for the exchange rate difference between stores. To learn more about offer management and program fees, please watch the related videos. Thanks for watching and happy selling!